Assalamu viewers and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the preposition. In the most famous preposition are in, on, by and at. The first one is in. We use in with the following words: in the summer, in the 19th century, in the afternoon, in the morning, in 3 hours, in 1800, in a minute, in the spring, in the past, in January, in 1992. Similarly, we use on with the following words: on the March 26th, on the sunny day, on the birthday, on Monday, on hot day, on cold day, or any day. We can use with any day you use with on holiday, on July 13, on time, on the bus, on the plane, on the ship. In the same way, we use it with the following words, with the following nouns: at home, at school, at the airport, at university, at 5 o'clock, at night, at noon, at midnight, at midday, at the station, at the bottom, at work. In the same way, we use by with the following nouns, with the following words. We use by car, by train, by sea, by air, by land, by underground, by tomorrow, by next week, by next month, by ship, by plane, by him, by her. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe.